The first warnings came from the laboratory. In a 28-day study published by the National Institutes of Health, male mice exposed to polystyrene microplastics experienced a catastrophic decline. Their sperm quality plummeted, motility decreased, testosterone levels tanked. At the same time, sperm malformations skyrocketed. Scientists watched as these plastic particles triggered massive oxidative stress, essentially causing the reproductive cells to rust from the inside out. In rats, even smaller nanoplastics caused a surge in sperm DNA fragmentation, a key marker for infertility directly linked to toxic exposure. This is not just a problem for mice. The breach has been confirmed in humans. In a groundbreaking study, 12 different types of microplastics were identified in every single human and dog testicular sample analyzed. The correlation was undeniable. In dogs, higher levels of specific plastics like PVC and polyethylene were directly linked to lower testis weight and severely reduced sperm counts. The PVC-exposed sperm showed harmful mutations, crippling their ability to function. This mirrors a terrifying 80-year trend in humans, where sperm concentration has fallen to nearly 1/7 of its original levels, a timeline that perfectly matches the explosion of global plastic production. How does this happen? Microplastics act as chemical saboteurs. They disrupt the master control system for masculinity, the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis, or HPG axis. Think of it as your body's command chain for hormone production. Animal studies show plastics throw a wrench in the works. They suppress crucial hormones like FSH and LH, which are the signals that tell the testes to produce testosterone and sperm. As these signals fade, testosterone levels fall, while estrogen levels can rise. This chemical chaos not only impacts fertility, but can delay gonad maturation itself. It's a fundamental hijacking of male biology. If the current trend continues, the projections are apocalyptic. Some researchers forecast that global sperm counts could reach zero by the year 2045. Let that sink in. Zero. With plastics identified as a key driver, we are facing a potential threat to the survival of our species. The minimum dose of microplastics shown to cause semen abnormalities is terrifyingly low, just 0.0016 milligrams per kilogram per day. This isn't a massive theoretical dose. It matches the estimated daily exposure for people in countries like Japan and South Korea right now. The countdown has already begun. The threat is pervasive, but not invincible. Understanding the enemy is the first step to fighting back. The primary routes of exposure are ingestion and inhalation. The plastic in your bottled water, the containers your food is heated in, the synthetic fibers in the air you breathe. Reducing exposure is critical. Simple changes can make a difference. Using high-quality water filters for your drinking water is a powerful first line of defense. Opting for glass, stainless steel, or ceramic food containers instead of plastic, especially for hot foods, limits ingestion. Choosing natural fibers over synthetic ones can reduce the plastic dust in your home. These are not just lifestyle choices. They are acts of biological self-preservation. The time to protect yourself starts now.